So this is how you are going to prepare for your insulin medication. The expiry date is there. Okay. Don't expose the needle. Clean the top. Okay. Now you can keep the same glargine for 28 days once from when it was opened. So you clean this for 30 seconds. Let's assume 30 seconds is up. Throw this in the clinical waste bin. Now, if this is a new syringe, you have to pull the plunger down and push the air out. Why? Because you are going to be using a new one, and when it is just opened, it is very stiff. So take this out, pull the air, 14, and this is how you would do it. Tip down, okay, push the air in and down. So you will see a very tiny bubble. If the desired dose is 15 units, pull it down more than 15 and push the air out up to 15. Okay, and now when you are covering the lid, this is how you would do it. Do not sheath it. Don't pick this up and resheath it. Leave it there and scoop it like this. Tip it down, and you will hear a click. There we go. And then you show it to your assessor how much you have aspirated. Only the desired dose. Okay, so there's no air there. If you look, there is no air, and if there is, it's a very tiny one that won't hurt a patient. Now, assuming this is done, it was injected, the way to lock this syringe is this way. Pull, and you will hear, sorry, you have to remove this to pull it like this, and you can hear it. And now you're not able to pull it down anymore. And you throw it straight in the bin.